In this session, we are going to solve a problem asked in JEE Mains 2023 held on 1st February in Shift 1. The problem belongs to permutations and combinations. The question is, the number of 3-digit numbers divisible by 2 or 3 but not by 7 is. The answer is, we may find the number of required numbers in following way. Number of numbers divisible by 2. So, the highest number, the largest 3 digits number divisible by 2 will be 998, and the lowest 3 digit number divisible by 2 will be 100. So, number of numbers divisible by 2 will be 998 minus 100 divided by 2 plus 1, which is equal to 450. Because numbers from 100 to 998 will form an AP whose common difference will be 2, and number of such terms will give the number of numbers divisible by 2. So, using the formula of finding the number of terms of an AP, we have come to conclusion that number of numbers divisible by 2 will be 450. Similarly, number of numbers divisible by 3. The largest number of 3 digits divisible by 3 will be 999, and the smallest number of 3 digits divisible by 3 will be 102. Again, using the formula of finding the number of terms of an AP whose common difference is 3, we are achieving the number of digits, number of numbers is equal to 300. But one thing is notable, that numbers divisible by 6 are present in both groups, because 6 is divisible by 2 and 6 is also divisible by 3. So, these numbers, those numbers which are divisible by 6 will come in both groups, in the group of divisible by 2, in the group of divisible by 3. Thus, net number of numbers divisible by 2 or 3, that will be, let that number is P. So, P is equal to 450 plus 300 minus number of numbers divisible by 6. Now, number of numbers divisible by 6. The largest number of 3 digits divisible by 6 is 996, and the lowest number of 3 digits divisible by 6 is 102. Again, using the formula to find the number of terms in an AP whose common difference is 6, we find the number of such numbers is 150. So, now putting the value of number of numbers divisible by 6, P comes to be 450 plus 300 minus 150, which is equal to 600. Now, number of numbers divisible by 14. The highest 3-digit number divisible by 14 is 994 and the lowest 3-digit number divisible by 14 is 112. Again, using the formula of AP, we come to conclusion that such numbers are 64. Number of numbers divisible by 21. The largest number of 3 digits divisible by 21 is 987 and the lowest number of 3 digits divisible by 21 is 105. So, number of numbers divisible by 21 comes to 43. Here also, but numbers divisible by 42 are present in both groups. Numbers divisible by 14 will also contain numbers divisible by 42 and numbers divisible by 21 will also contain numbers divisible by 42. So these numbers will come in both the groups. Thus net number of numbers divisible by 14 or 23. Let that number is Q. So Q is equal to 64 plus 43 minus number of numbers divisible by 42. Now number of numbers divisible by 42. The largest number of 3 digits divisible by 42 is 966 and the lowest number, the smallest number divisible by 42 of 3 digits is 126. So, number of numbers divisible by 42 will be 21. So, Q will be equal to 64 plus 43 minus 21, that comes to 86. Thus, number of numbers divisible by 2 or 3 but not by 7 is equal to P minus Q, which is equal to 600 minus 86, which is equal to 514, which is the final answer. Thank you.